All right, looking at the 2-5 part of the review, they want us to write the polynomial with these given zeros. Okay, so remember conjugates, imaginary roots always come in pairs. So I'm going to write this as x minus 3, x minus 4i, that comes from that one, and then x plus 4i, right, that comes from that one. And so I just need to multiply these all together. So I'm going to do these back ones first here. So we're going to get minus 4ix plus 4ix minus 16i squared. Okay. And then we get these cross out, and then it's negative 16 times negative 1, because remember I squared is negative 1. X minus 3 equals x squared plus 16. Then I multiply these two together, and so I'm going to go ahead and distribute this x to everything. So it's x to the third plus 16x. Now I'm going to distribute the 3 to everything. That's 16 times 3, I believe, is 48. All right. Then I'm going to go ahead and put this in descending. So that's a minus 3x squared plus 16x minus 48. It's 48. All right. And then last one here, number 60. Okay. So number 60 here, they want me to find the zeros, and they're only giving me 1. Okay. So they're giving me x to the third plus x squared plus 9x plus 9. And they're giving me a root of 3i. Okay, so I need to figure out what the other roots are. Now remember, imaginary roots always come in pairs, conjugate pairs. So if 3 is a root, 3i, so is negative 3i. So I got 2 right there. So I'm going to just figure out what those two are. So those two right there, if I multiply these together just like I did in the last example, I get that, right? I get x squared plus 9, right? Because the I squared is a negative 1. So something times this equals that. So I'm going to use long division to figure that out. Okay. So I'm going to set this up to x squared plus 0x plus 9. Remember, I got to represent every power. Okay, and then up here it's x to the third plus 2x plus 9x plus 9. So we got to multiply this to make it needs an x. Okay, so that's x to the third plus 0x squared plus 9x. Okay, then subtract everything. So this is all going to cross out to 0x plus 9. And what do I have to multiply? All right, and so then we go 0x, bring down the 9. I'm sorry, I made a mistake here. Plus 9, 0, no, negative 9, x, and then plus a 0.